Woohoo! Today I actually got to do my daily update in the sunlight. It's towards the evening. Well, it's about 6:30 in the evening. It's been a good day today. I'm still in Cheboygan, Michigan, and today was work on the boat day. Um, I know I can't get into Michigan City until tomorrow, so this is a scheduled day. Fortunately, John, again, he's been my lifesaver. Uh, I actually met him this morning and another friend of his named Oli at the local coffee shop at 8 o'clock. And we had coffee and scones. And then John took me out to a Honda dealer where I was able to get new plugs and a new gas filter in case I needed it, because this place was quite a ways away. The day started off with a nice brisk walk, a short walk for me, a 3-mile walk, and then stretches. And funny thing with the stretches, this morning there was a really cold, chilly wind, and so I decided to do it inside the boathouse where the shower and the bathrooms are, and I set myself up in a foyer by one of the doors, figuring, no one's going to come in at this hour in the morning. Well, I'm working my way through the stretches after the walk, and I'm down doing one of my back stretches where I'm spread out on the floor, kind of like the Muslims do when they're praying. And son of a gun, if someone doesn't come into the door, and he's there, well, what's going on here? And I said, well, I'm boating here. I'm parked along your dock, and right now I'm doing my back exercises, and I'll be glad to talk to you when I'm done. And so with that, he went on. And so today I was able to change the spark plugs. Also checked the fuel filter. The fuel filter looks really good. And then also added, I was a little bit low in oil, so I added some oil. Went to a local car dealership, or not, AutoZone actually, and picked up a couple quarts. When I was looking in the manual, it just said use regular automotive oil. And so I got some 10W30 oil, which was recommended in the owner's manual, and we put the oil in, and life was good. After we put everything back together again, motor fired right up. Boom, no sweat, no sweat. And then when John came down, he was following the CU game. The CU games, that's an interesting scenario where the previous year, all but 3 of the football players quit for some reason. I don't know why. And Deion Sanders is the head coach, and his son is actually the quarterback. And they were playing TSU today. And so that's kind of a storyline I like to follow. So we followed along with that on the internet, and CU won. So that was pretty exciting. You know, one of the other exciting things is as I'm working around with John and we're driving around, we're talking. Yeah, he used to work cattle ranches and dude ranches and things, and he's worked in Wyoming. He's worked up by Pinedale, Jackson Hole, down in Colorado and Durango. He actually worked in Gunnison, Colorado. Out one of the ranches out there. And then I was telling him about the Big Thompson, my experiences with the Big Thompson. I'll be son of a gun if he didn't work that dude ranch. It's just at the mouth of the Thompson Canyon. And so we have an awful lot in common, and we have a lot of parallel types of experiences as well. So it's been really enjoyable getting to know John. And so that's about it. Oh, the other thing I did is there was a fiberglass nick in the boat, and so I got some epoxy, and I was able to fix that up as well today. So a pretty productive day. Pretty happy with the way that turned out. And so thanks for tuning in. This is it for tonight. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And when you do subscribe, click on that little bell. That'd be really great. The more subscribers I have, the better. So may all your winds be calm. Take care.